Product 21, water tanks. Our water tanks are used in various industries, from agriculture, manufacturing and construction to sports. Tuffa knows the applications of water tanks are endless, and that's why we offer a diverse portfolio with capacities up to 20,000 litres per unit and higher volumes achieved with interlinking tanks. Each tank is rotomoulded with a UV stabilised and corrosion resistant polymer, making the system extremely strong and durable, with a 10-year guarantee as standard. Our water tanks come with a 2-inch BSP bottom outlet, a screened vent and an inspection hatch or screw lid. We can customise the outlets and inlets for specific applications and supply a range of equipment including pumps and rainwater diverters. For further information and expert advice, or to begin the design process, contact our friendly sales team.